The dynamics of nuclear deterrence in South Asia has been quite complex since the overt nuclearization of the region initiated by India. It has appeared as more of a strategic compulsion for Pakistan to maintain a credible nuclear deterrence posture to overcome the conventional and unconventional challenges from India. However, in recent years, India's provocative and aggressive development of its strategic nuclear and conventional warfare delivery systems have supersonic and hypersonic speeds under its offensive notion of preemptive and splendid first strike has been intensified. This has emerged as one of the most destabilizing factors for the regional equation of strategic stability and nuclear deterrence equilibrium. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Strategic Studies. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future video notification. So, India's attempt to undermine the strategic stability and nuclear deterrence equilibrium of South Asia is further evident from the rapid augmentation of its nuclear tests. These include indigenous developed hypersonic, supersonic, and subsonic speed ballistic cruise and anti-submarine missiles. The test started in September this year with the test launch of the Supersonic technology demonstrator vehicle. The vehicle was powered by an air-breathing scramjet engine. A test of indigenous developed anti-tank guide missile was also conducted in the same month, but that remains less significant given the Indian offensive nuclear aspiration. On September 24, a successful night test fire of one of its indigenously developed Prithvi 2 short-range nuclear-capable ballistic missile. Subsequently, on September 13, India tested an extended-range version of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile having a reported range of 450 km. The BrahMos is believed to be one of the fastest supersonic cruise missiles currently operational in the world. On October 3, India tested an advanced version of nuclear-capable ballistic missile, Shaurya, reported range of 800 km as a hypersonic missile capable of achieving a speed of Mach 7.5. India's much-hyped K-15 Sagarika submarine-launched missile, which has been operational since August 2018. Followed by this, on October 5, India has conducted a test of supersonic anti-submarine missile, supersonic missile-assisted release of Torpedo Smart. Indian security experts have been calling it a game changer in anti-submarine warfare. In the same vein, on October 9, India has successfully test-fired its first indigenously developed new generation anti-radiation missile, NAGRM, Rudram 1. The 200 kilometers SEED means suppression of enemy air defense. Standoff missile can target surveillance and fire control radars of the adversary. Last but not the least, on October 12, India has tested an indigenously developed intermediate-range subsonic terrain-hugging cruise missile, Nirbhay, having a range of 1,000 kilometers. To further analyzing India's such aggressive and offensive nuclear posture seems to be an attempt to challenge Pakistan's nuclear threshold in the prevalent regional security environment. As such, this would likely encourage India to carry out an offensive counter-force first strike against Pakistan. Also, against the backdrop of India's much-hyped notion of fighting a two-front war against Pakistan and China, India's recent attempt to conduct these tests back-to-back is quite significant. To sum up all, India's aggression development of its strategic nuclear capability, coupled with a broad range of warhead delivery systems, have posed a serious threat to Pakistan's security. Notably, Pakistan's credible nuclear deterrence approach, which over the years has evolved into full-spectrum deterrence, appear to be the decisive factor in the regional equation of nuclear deterrence equilibrium. However, India's offensive modernization of its strategic capabilities would make the region more vulnerable to conventional and nuclear conflict. This would ultimately lead to deterrence instability in the region. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, then press like button and also share your remarkable comments in the comment section. And share this video with your colleagues, friends, students of competitive exams. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.